This document that I'm looking at is actually in your science packet. It is the famous landform project that's going to wrap up our discussion on weathering, erosion, and deposition. So all these famous landforms are in the United States, and you're going to choose one of these from this list, or you can do other as long as it's approved by me. I would highly recommend that you just choose one of these, honestly, because being that it's asynchronous, I might not be able to get back to you, and you're not allowed to move on to the next part of the project without teacher approval. So just choose one of these from the list. There's plenty of research out there. In fact, this link right here that's on your page in your packet has a ton of information about each one of these to help you kind of decide which of the 10 you want to do. And you're going to complete a Google form today that's on Google Classroom, and that Google form is basically just trying to let me know what project you're thinking of doing. So it looks just like this. That link is there for you as well. You'll type your name, which one you're going to be doing, and then how you're going to present your research. You can do Google Slides, a news report, skit, play, poster. Again, other, I would highly recommend that you just choose one of these. Most popular in my class before was a Google Slides presentation. That will definitely be something that's going to be pretty simple and easy to do. Anyways, that's your main goal today, is to choose which of these landforms you're going to research, and then to actually begin your research. Your research is going to be on page 11 in your packet. You're going to be answering these questions here that go with your landform. So you're going to be telling me what landform in general that you're researching. So if you're doing the Grand Canyon, for example, your landform is a canyon. So you'll tell me what a canyon is by definition. Do not be lazy on this question. Don't just tell me, what you think a canyon is. I want a good definition from research that you put into your own words. Obviously, don't plagiarize and copy word for word. And then where is it found? So like what state? What's the climate like in that region? Also, how is it created? Use these words: weathering, erosion, and deposition. If you don't use those words, then you're not going to receive full credit. And obviously, every single one of those landforms has been impacted by weathering, erosion, and deposition, so make sure to use each one of those words and how it's been changed over time. And then 3 to 5 interesting facts about your landform. Now, this page 11 is not due until tomorrow on Friday, but I would definitely get at least these 2 questions done, because tomorrow you would then be able to work on these 2 questions and hopefully be able to turn it in. I have posted the page 11 photo on Google Classroom that you're going to be doing, but you're not going to actually, most likely not turn that in today. You're going to take a photo of the first 2 questions nice and big for me, and then a photo of the last 2 questions nice and big for me. And then I will take a look at this, so nobody's going to be starting their final project like your Google Slides or anything, because I'm going to leave a private comment for you on the assignment to let you know that you can move on. So don't even bother trying to move on. I'll talk more about the final project of what the expectations will look like. And yeah, so today you're just basically choosing your landform and then starting your research. And tomorrow you'll submit a photo of page 11, and today you will submit the Google form that tells me what you're going to be doing. Have fun with this.